Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 8 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to finish the second floor. Now we're going to go to level 1 because we need to finish off the floor there. And in the previous video, you were able to add the floors and then split face them. And we're going to do that here as well. So go to architecture and then click on floor, and this will be floor number 2. So let's go and add and duplicate it, and then here we're going to change this to stone. So click on stone, and then let's add granite cut rough. So I think this is better. We could just change the real materials in Twinmotion, but we need to divide it for now. So press OK and then OK. And then here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick the lines on the outside. So here we're gonna change it. And then we need to clean it on this area. And then click finish. And then here we forgot to clean it. So you'll be able to click on show and then it will show you where. So let's click on continue and then TR this. And then now click finish. So you're good with that. And then we're going to edit this spot or the powder room so that we could split face it. So here I'm just gonna click split face, or you could just press escape, go to modify, and then click split face. What you do, you need to click on the system. It's either floor, ceiling, or walls. So I'm gonna click on the wall and then click on rectangle, and then I'm just gonna use my rectangle to add this in the perimeter of this. And as you can see, this is the edge, so we need to add lines here as well. If, for example, we extended this, we could just delete this. So that's the rule for split face. And then now we click finish, and then we need to change the paint. So let's tile black. Let's use tile black. And then we're good with that. So now this is split face. We can double check that by going to real time. And then as you can see, we have that this style different from this style. So that how it works. So now what I want to concentrate is the windows. So we need to add some windows. And for this wall, we could actually move it back if we want to. But for now, let's leave it like that. And let's put this back to hidden lines so that we can see it better. Let's concentrate now on adding the window. So I'm gonna add a window right here. So the way I like to add windows on this kind of design is I always add it as a curtain wall. So I click on wall, go to drop down, and then click on curtain wall. And then from curtain wall, I like to add designs, different designs from that. So here I'm gonna add the curtain one like that, but I want it to be from the inside like this. We can add it like that as well. So let's see how it will look like. And obviously we're gonna add windows here as well. And we could actually put windows on this side, the full window. And that warning is saying that it's not visible yet because it's inside the wall. So we need to click on cut geometry, and I'll show it to you guys later. So here I'm gonna add the wall as well like that. And we could add a window here on the top level, but maybe it's better to just leave it like this for now. And then obviously we need to add a window here. Okay, now let's press escape and then click on modify and then click on cut geometry. Now what you need to do is you need to click the wall first and then the curtain wall. Wall and then curtain wall. So that one I miss. So we could redo it. Curtain wall. So that's good. I'm happy with that. And then now we could go to level 2 and do the same. Let's add in the design of the wall to have some curtain wall window. For this, like I said, I'm going to add curtain wall like this from the outside. So we have our window like that, and then window here as well. We will have the corner here to be joined, and we're gonna design it properly. And obviously, like that. So this part is done. We're going to add windows all the way here, and then windows right here. And then I believe that's good enough. We could add window here so that we have natural light coming from here. And then I'll go to modify and then cut geometry. So let's cut that first. So wall and then curtain wall. That's the process. So here now we need to fix this part. I'm basically extending it so that I'm using my arrow key so that we could force out the wall. So now we could just extend this to the point that the wall disappear and only curtain walls. And then here we could just adjust so that it's cornered like that, 90 degrees. So that means it will be at the edge like that. So that will be fine. I'm happy with this. And then let's do the same here. It should be at the edge as well. So I want it to be like that. And then here as well, make sure that extend this all the way out. And then here, extend this one as well. And then let's move this one all the way to the edge. Okay. There we go. And we can double check that with the 3D. As you can see, it's still showing a piece of the wall. So let's extend it a bit. There we go. And then let's go to 3D and we need to change the graphic display and the transparency so that we can see it properly. This one, we're gonna pull it down and up. We're gonna maintain some of the height there. So just bear with me. I'm just assessing the look. So for example, if you click on align, you'll be able to align them accordingly. I believe that that's the best height. And then we forgot this one. So we could just click on the wall and then a curtain wall. And then use align. We're going to pull this out, so just bear with me as well. I'm gonna pull this up. Just like that. And this is for the washroom, so let's leave it like that. I'm gonna set the height here. AL. Okay, I think that's good. This is for the washroom, or the powder room. And then here, we could just pull this. We could leave it like that. All in the corner. Let's leave it all the way down. But for the bedroom, we need to pull it up. We could actually leave it like that for now. We could design this so that we could have a balcony. So depending on the design. I'm gonna go back to level 1, and I'm just going to pull this back a little bit like that. And let's add in some car. So insert, let's go to insert load family, and then just go back to the main. And then here, we need to find entourage, and then the beetle car. So type in CM, and then we could just see the look of cars on our parking garage. And obviously we're going to extend this one a little bit more, but at least you can see how the spacing looks like. So that looks fine. Another thing that you could do is split face all the walls. For the washroom. So that's something that we need to do as well. So what you could do is go back here to modify, and then click split face. And by selecting the face of this, we could now add in the separation. So there it's aligned because we have the edge of the wall there. This part will be closed off. So we could have two different wall materials for this. So click finish. And then now we could select the paint. And then we need to add the materials that are available here. I'm just gonna choose this, or no, we already used that. Let's use vapor retarder. This one is only needed there. This one as well. So we could just select that. For this one, we need to cut this as well. So let's click done for now, and then click on split face. And then do the same thing. Click on the edge there. And then here as well. Click finish. So this one is overlapping probably. There we go. Click finish. And then now let's do the paint. And then let's add that. So we're basically prepping it for interior. So that's why we're doing this. So let's do it here as well. This is the edge, so we just need to add it on this face. Click finish. This one's good. This one we need to split. done. Here we need to double check. This one we need to split on this side now. And then this wall. And then now we could click paint, and then let's change this to this one. So just to differentiate everything. Okay, so I'm happy with those. So I believe we've done everything for the split facing. Hopefully you guys understand. If not, you could just check back with me. Here I'm just gonna extend this one a little bit here so that we can add some materials on this side. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.